We have a hotel, I believe, this is second to none, number one. Good afternoon to you. How are you? You're both very welcome.
Thank you.
How was your journey?
It's definitely a good place to work as you get to look out on these views all day, every day.
There was no better workspace, you know. Everything is state of the art, the best of equipment.
I have people from France, from Cyprus. I have Austrian chefs, Hungarian chefs. So very international, so you can really travel around wherever you want to, you know. From that point, it's the best job you can have.
Hello, welcome to the Dunloe Hotel Gardens. This is Aoife speaking. How may I help you?
I look forward to coming to work every day because I come to an amazing property to work with amazing people, and every day is different. So I love my job.
The gap at Dunloe is right out the window here, so we have a fantastic view to work from. Even though you're not so far from town, you feel like you are away from it. You have the cows and the horses here, and it's really spectacular. When the sun shines, there is no nicer place, really.
I really enjoy my job here with working in Ard and She. It's like a small house. We try to offer a good service with a homely atmosphere.
Well, I've worked in the Europe and the Dunloe, so I have a taste of everything. So I think I'm happier here now.
You do not have to come from the top, you do not have to come from the middle, you do not have to come from the bottom. It's in you, I think. And I think the Ard and She brings it out definitely in people. And if there's anywhere you can learn about hotel business, it's here.
Yes, well, even being here, you would learn an awful lot, like wines, restaurant. But then if you kind of interacted with the Europe or the Dunloe, you're going to learn a lot more maybe about the bar side of things.
Well, we did a wine tasting there a few weeks ago, which was very beneficial to us.
If you want to do something interesting, you know, you come here and you meet different people, you work in different departments, have different skill sets that you can multitask. It's always very interesting.
They help you like expand in your career and really broaden your horizon and just move forward.
I'm always here to help you. If you need anything, my door is always open.
I'm going to do a briefing in a minute with the staff for the wedding. Friday wedding is pretty big, 260 people.
You're here for 8.5 hours, 5 days a week. So you do become very good friends with the people that you work with.
It's a stressful job, so you need that like downtime to really relax and have fun.
You can head to town, maybe have some lunch. Like for people, say, that might have kids, they can bring the kids back to the beach.
Out in the lake here, there's a few different types of fish. One can get a boat here from the water's edge of the pier and go out fishing.
Sometimes we arrange like an evening out, maybe meet up and just relax and maybe have a few drinks so I can take it easy.
As long as, you know, everybody behaves themselves at the party, then it's fine. You know? We don't get any problems.
Because we're like family, everybody's around you, you know. We're all here to look after each other.
You get all the gossip from around the place and we chat about everything. And
if you do have an off day, there's always a co-worker to pick you up and put a smile on your face again.
we have a routine, we know what each of us does, and it works well, doesn't it, Tim? Most of the time.
I suppose the biggest challenge is to keep fresh ideas all the time.
There's always a better way of doing it. It's just about finding the way.
Passion for the job, so I think that's very, very important. You can't teach people that.
But that's what makes it interesting.